Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 4. Want to present about Red Boost. So I will introduce our group members. Me is Ahmad Zahid Akmal bin Zakaria. Next is Muhammad Afiq Amin bin Mat Amir. Next is Nur Arifah binti Muhammad Nur Rahim. Wan Muizrin Syuhada binti Wal Hussein. Siti Nur Fatin Lena binti Muhammad Azman. So, for introduction, Red Boost was formed in 2017. Red Boost has since expanded from its namesake product, Red Cherry Booster Drink, to an immensely diversified range of food and beverage brands. So, this company was registered with Companies Commission of Malaysia, SSM, in 2017 as a private sole proprietorship. So on 27 January 2018, we changed our name to Red Boost Sdn Bhd. On September 25, 2019, once again, due to the factor of future proofings, we changed the name to the Red Boost International Sdn Bhd with the goal of spreading its wings to the world stage. So for the business model, we have key partners, key activities, key resources, value proposition, customer relationships, customer segments, channels, revenue streams, and cost structure. So we have three elements in key partner, which is media, subsidiaries, supplier. For key activities, marketing and promotions, production operations. For key resources, partnership, goodwill. For value propositions, tasty product for all family enjoy. And there are two in customer relationship, which is ads, recommendations. For customer segments, supermarkets, mall, 20-hour shops, channels, social media, Instagrams, retailers, revenue stream, retail sales, licensing, and lastly for cost structure, packaging, ingredient and suppliers, marketing and advertising. So that's all for me. I will pass another slide briefing to other group members. Okay, thank you.
Next is problem statement. The first problem statement is competition in the market is one of the symptoms that were identified as reduced revenues at the firm. Although Red Boost remains the dominant player in the Asian beverage market, a number of rival companies have emerged with unique products which reduce the sales volume made by these two leading companies. Some of these substitute products are propositioned as more healthy alternative than the cola products. Next problem is inability to tackle environmental concerns. So in Malaysia, the company has been criticized for its excessive use of water at the expense of the locals who need the same commodity for their basic needs. So the company has failed to come up with innovative ways of developing their products that can enable them to reduce their water usage. So another problem is the inability to tackle health concerns. So it is also important to look at the health concerns that have been raised by the medical experts regarding some of the products of this company. So one is expected to take significant amounts of water after taking these core products to neutralize their impact on the body. So lastly is analysis using various tools and methods. So the management of Red Boost must understand that the ability of the firm to achieve success in the market depends on how well it can address issues raised above.
So as for customer iteration map, for the Red Boost customer iteration map, there is a 4, which is browse, comparison, demand, and buy. First, for browse, so customer will browse the advertisement through social media and television, and then the customer then will recognize the brand through sport events. So as for the Red Boost, so the Red Boost will post the advertisement through social media and create a television advertisement. Secondly, the Red Boost sponsors sport events such as PLFA and badminton events. So as for comparison, the customer will compare the Red Boost with a local brand soda such as House Boom. And as for the Red Boost holds a comparison test between unmarked soda and the Red Boost soda. As for demands, the customer will browse through supermarket to buy a local brand soda. And after that, customer wants to experience different flavor from soda drinks. Then Red Boost will then supply soda drink to local supermarket, and Red Boost will experiment with different flavors to fulfill customer demands. As for buy, lastly, customer will proceed to buy Red Boost soda in the supermarket, and Red Boost will collect all the purchase information to improve their product for the customer.
Here are the project management team for Red Boost. Consists of stakeholder, which is the Red Boost and the investors. Our project manager is Afiq Ameh. Move to the marketing and sales manager is Fatih Liana. IT and operations manager is Shuhada. General manager technical Ahmad Zahid, and lastly general manager finance is Nurul Arifah.
Okay, next for the CRM implementation methodology. This Red Boost use CRM RD business as a primary business platform for the overall project. And then methodology used by the RD business suite is operational CRM, which is operational CRM is used to integrate and focus on the entire enterprise, improving sales, and is able to serve a superior customer service for the company. And then this operational CRM also allows the company to view the entire customer base, accurate and timely deliveries, and reduction of product inventory close time. And through this RD CRM implementation, all the former disparate sales system has changed into integrate internet application that fully impact on the business to another level of business integration, which is means that the business is go to another level which is more modern in this new era. And then these Red Boost use operational CRM application to identify a profitable customer, identify the prospective sale opportunities, and also improve the customer interaction and relationship. Other than that, it's also offer the up-to-date customer information to the organization. This methodology also have a strong allow the company to have a strong relationship with the customer, and also the customer itself can have to understand a bigger picture of the company, and also allow for further interaction between the customer and also the company. Next.
So CRM model used in Red Boost company is IDIC model. IDIC model was developed by Peppers and Rogers. This model will help the Red Boost to access the expectation of customer and their value to the business. The first I in the IDIC model is identify customer expectation, where Red Boost can gather and collect information about their customers such as name, address, and email, or any related information that is related with Red Boost. The goal for this phase is to collect maximum data of Red Boost customers as they can in order to reach the understanding of their customers' needs and purchase behavior. So next is D, differentiate customer expectations. So Red Boost need to be clear with their customer lifetime value and differentiate them accordingly, since not all customers have the same value and to the business. So I is interactions. So Red Boost can apply the CRM plans by having a good interaction with their customers related to their business products or services. So the interaction itself will be based on the customers' values and needs. This will give Red Boost a chance to collect feedbacks and opinion from their customer, mostly on products improvement or any other feedback for future improvement. And lastly is C, which is customizations. Customization will be made to meet customer expectation. So after going through all the steps and phases, a set of new strategies will be drawn and product customization will happen. For Red Boost itself, they can take all the feedback from customer as their point of product customizations. This will also help Red Boost in making their strategic decisions.
For the selected open source CRM open source, our team, our project management team has decided to choose CRM due to its wide range of advantages compared to the other CRM open source software. For example, it has customer portal. Um, a customer portal can enhance customer engagement. Customer portal are an effective tool to enhance customer engagement. It enables the project management to share their ideas and gain feedback from the customer. Suite CRM also can be a great CRM software to boost customer satisfaction. As we know, high customer satisfaction can lead to increase the sale and profit. Suite CRM offers 24 hours support service to the customer. Um, Next is the Suite CRM is compatible with mobile device. As we know, social media give business an opportunity to gain deeper insight into the customer behavior and interaction. Since the business operate mostly on social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and due to these facts, Suite CRM is suitable for the CRM model because like I said just now, it's compatible with mobile device such as smartphone and tablet with iOS or Android OS. Besides, CRM integration with social media allows business to develop an effective business strategy and achieve a desired result. For the cost implementation for license, it free plan and free trial, and the self installation is free download. Paid version subscription plan is 6,585 ringgit, and the software is open source.
For the modules implemented, this is the module implemented in the CRM, Suite CRM, which is account, campaign, cases, contracts, event, calendar, invoice, leads, opportunities, codes, tasks, users, call, meetings, email template, and the last one is document, notes, and target. And also the target list, projects, products, surveys. Okay, next for the system flow charts. This is basically the flow of the system of CRM system, which is first user have to log in into the system by entering their name and also their password. After they are successful to log in into the system, they are able to see in home page, they are able to see this main module in the system, CRM system, which is account, contacts, the opportunities, leads, queue, calendar, more tab, and also profile and also new tab. All of these tabs have their own function, which is after they have choose their respective tab, which is, for example, they used to click the account button tab, which is they can create account, view account, import account, recently review account, and then after that will end of the session. It's also used for the others module tabs in the system. After they chosen their own respective module that has been chosen, they will redirect to the end of the session. That's all from me for this project. Next.
Okay, for the market segmentation for a Red Boost, there are four types of segmentation, which is geographic, demographic, behavioral, and psychographic. So as for geographic segmentation criteria, there are region and density. For the target segment, region for domestic, and as for density, urban and rural. For the demographic, there are age, gender, life cycle stage, income, and occupation. So for the age, there are for 13 to 55 years old. And for the gender, for both male and female. As for the life cycle stage, the red boost is for bachelor single people, newly married couple, and also for the young children. For the income, the target segment for the income is average, above average, and high earners. And lastly, occupation. The red boost is for students, employees, and professionals. As for behavioral, degree of loyalty, the red boost is for the hardcore customer and the softcore customer. So for the benefit sought, this red boost is to for people to enjoy the refreshment, enjoying a good food, satisfaction of a habit spending time. So for the personality of the customer, is for easygoing or determined or ambitious. Lastly, for the user status, the red boost target segment is for regular users. And lastly, psychographic. Okay, the segmentation criteria of social class is for B40, M40, and T40. And lastly, for the lifestyle of the customer of the target segment is for aspirer, succeeder, and lastly, explorer.
Marketing tool can be described as the approach, strategy, method, technique, material, and other resources that used to develop and carry out an effective marketing campaign for the product and service. The first marketing strategy used by Red Boost is digital marketing, which is using social media. Digital marketing is the use of company social media profile to advertise product or service and interact with customer. It also help build brand recognition. Since pandemic COVID-19, social networking has been one of the way people communicate and interact with each other. They had spent more time scrolling on through the social media. Um, on social media platform, media sharing and commenting were popular. That is why Red Bulls frequently use digital marketing tool to promote the product. For example, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Rebus might gain a lot of benefit by using these social media. And the next Rebus market strategy is commercial advertising. Commercial advertising can be described as a paid commercial advertising that was broadcast on television or the radio or the radio. As for the 21st century, the use of internet play an important role in commercial advertising. The sponsor commercial are now broadcast at the start of online video and even during the video streaming service. Nevertheless, commercial advertising through broadcast on television or radio is still valid since people are still listening and watching the television. Red Bull use both of the concept as a marketing tool, and then the adver- the advertisement will be appear and can be seen on this television, radio, or YouTube. Then it will make the brand recognizable. And the last marketing tool used by Red Bulls is email marketing. Even though people drink every day, but people don't purchase our product every day. That is why Red Bull use email marketing as one of our marketing strategy. And email marketing strategy can be started by collecting the email on the website and sending out the information to that email. For example, when Red Bulls are doing the special deal of the special event or on a special day such as Red Bull's anniversary promotion.
As a conclusion, the Red Bull is always has been compared to the house pool. So CRM always play an important role in making the business successful. CRM also maintains its relationship with its customer, and lastly, CRM play an important role in making the company successful. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4. We will present Suite CRM. So, firstly, as we see on homepage, we have 24 modules overall, and accounts, contact, opportunities, leads, quotes, calendar, more. And the top right corner, we will see profile for user, employees, support forum, about, rollout, and we have new for shortcut button to create account, contact, leads, opportunities, quote, and contract. So firstly, we go to account. If you want to create an account, just go to accounts. It will move to the create page. We need to fill the information here. So next, we go to view account. So this is account that already created. Next, import account. Import account. If we have any account on the folder at the PC, so we can import the accounts. Recently view account that view recently, such as AD Importing Company Incorporated. So we go next to the context. So this is how to create a contact. Just click the create account. We will move to the page of create account, create contacts. Create contacts. So as we see here, we need to fill the form, first name, last name, and other. For view account, is a same function like a context. We can view contacts, such an accounts. We also have view accounts. So here we also have create contact from vcard. So we can import virtual card from PC or laptops file folder if we have. So we move to the next account. So here account already. So account already. Sorry. So opportunities. We have create opportunity, view opportunity, and import opportunity. So here, if we click the create opportunity, we will move to the page to create opportunity. So we need to fill in the form, such as account name. So we can search here for account name for company. We also need to enter the opportunity amount and such more. So I think we move to the next leads. So leads, this is button for create lead. We need to fill the information here, the form here. So we also have more information and others. So leads also same like others. Create lead from vcard, or we can view leads or import leads. So next, quotes. Quotes here are such as a ticket, create quotes. So this is page for create quotes, title name. So okay, so here status for approve or not approve. Next, we can set the net 15 or 30. Here invoice status, not invoice or invoice. So here quote states negotiate, deliver, and others. So this is information for shipping address, billing address, and currency. So here we use US dollar. So for calendar, the function is to create a meeting. So we can create a meeting. We can set the start date, durations, status, not held, and plan, account, contact, task opportunity, and others. So next, more. So we have a lot here, such as home, document, emails, campaign, and so much here. So at the right top corner, this is a profile for user. We can see the profile for user. So profile for user here, we Will Westin, first name Will, last name Westin. So status here showing the active user. So the user is active. Employee status and others, email setting and others. So also got advanced, external accounts, layout options. So I think I already recover the all module in Suite CRM. I think it's all for our groups. So thank you.